Hi, Queen. What are you doing?
Put in this little.
Are you drawing pictures?
Yeah.
Let me see what you've drawn. Tell me all about it.
Me and you and the baby and me and my tie
And what's that?
and the dog.
A doggy. What's this big green thing up here?
A sun.
A sun. Can you get the black marker and draw something new?
Yeah.
What are you standing on, Queen?
Weak side chair.
Okay, just checking. You need help getting that cap off?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what you're going to draw.
A big sun.
Don't fall, please.
I know Daddy likes black.
He
So
does.
I'm coloring a sun for him.
Aww. Wow. What are all those things coming out of it, Queen?
It's hair.
Oh.
He likes his hair.
Okay. Can you make it a smiley face, son?
Sure.
See, that's kind of high for you to reach, isn't it? You can do it, though.
And the mouth is up there, and the nose is up there.
Is it upside down?
Yeah.
Now, can you write your name? I want to see you write your name right here. It's nice and low for you. What's the first letter? Q. Okay, you don't need to put anything else inside the Q, okay? Now make the U.
Ooh.
It's okay, baby. I'll pick them up. Look. Make the U. And then E-E-N, right?